Wow, student, look at this. Of Dr. Netter's work, a beautiful picture of the side view of the human brain with the chorial plexus and the ventricles. The ventricles are the spaces left behind in development, 4 of them. Right here you can see the beautiful model, the top 2, which are called lateral, which means in the side of each hemisphere, and the 3rd one right there in the center, and the 4th one right here at the base. That within those chambers, concentrated blood vessels would form called the chorial plexus, blood vessels, and each of the ventricles, along with the pia mater, the meninges, an amazing shiny water would form with nutritional support from your mom. They'd be needed for your growth and development, function, healing, and so protected well by the human fascia. That white, resilient connective tissue would knit every cell in place perfectly to resist all trauma and hold your body in place, so no injury would change you from the outside. And the very core of the fascia, you learned so beautifully, of the meninges. You learned last week of the strong dura mater, the outermost one, and the arachnoid, and the pia mater, the capillary circulatory one on the center. And as the meninges would sleeve the brain and cord, that strong dura, the outermost one, would also go into the brain, between your hemispheres and cerebellum, and meet those ventricles, forming an amazing, more Latin for you, internal suspension. Look at that, Falx cerebri, the sickle shape, it means, in Latin, of the cerebral hemispheres. And the strong was called the Tentorium, living tent of the cerebellum. Beautiful structural view here. Again, you can see the Falx and the beautiful Tentorium. That structure will suspend your brain from the inside out to protect that spinal fluid rhythm, the ventricles, the human nervous system, and a beautiful structural view of it here, of the ventricles themselves, and the amazing Falx and Tentorium within the cranial vault, and the beautiful suture lines that would cover that and protect it so well. And that the biodynamic model invites you to the injuries that may have changes in a lifetime journey that would change our function, and that you can allow this living form to restore you back to what was already given. The innate process of healing was present for all the healing and function and the growth and development of our children for a lifetime. Wow, is that good science for a Monday morning? We'll catch you tomorrow.